at the top. Now, the second role is resource allocation. Resource allocation and budgeting. Resource allocation and budgeting. When it comes to implementing the action plan, when it comes to implementing audit recommendations, then the board has to allocate resources, because many audit recommendations, especially those involving IT security or structural changes, require significant investment. So the board has to fund the fix, funding the fix. The board must ensure that management has the financial resources to implement recommendations. For example, hiring a management expert or upgrading a legacy software and so on. Funding the fix. Then there is prioritizing capital. The board can allocate resources and budget by prioritizing capital. If resources are limited, the board decides which high-risk items get funded first. That's what we are referring to as prioritizing, because we know resources are generally scarce. So one way in which the board can, the role of the board in audit implementation is by prioritizing capital, so that capital is allocated towards the action plan. You understand? Yes.